Also, the shape of the hammock was inspired of the islands. The whole movement, the whole water, the whole sustainable of the hotel, and the whole context was very nice for this project. This piece will stay permanently in JOALI, and the kids, the people will be able to sit in it and to enjoy.
We found that there was a special bird, the White Tern, that doesn't use any nests, which was really strange for our, after reading so much about birds' nests.
The White Tern's egg, we intend that people experience feeling the inside and having their moment.
It's a big honor for the Mameluca studio to be here, having a piece that will stand time here.
What I'm doing is that I make abstract work, so non-representational works, but still all the forms have their emotions that they convey. You can see my augmented reality application. This is something that I'm really interested in, like the real and the virtual, and the question, what is reality at all?
It's a journey through the brain, through all the thoughts we have during the day and during life in general, if I can say. So there's something like a wow effect when you put the headset, because it's a feeling of infinity. That's why I made a project about the brain, because the knowledge of the brain is kind of infinite. I thought, I was thinking, the island is the best dopamine ever.
We are Traditional Sisters. Our work is based on ropes, macrame weaves and embroidery. So basically we are doing textile art. It feels so good to bring small snippets of our history, people, culture, and a small window of my life as my embroidery work.
At Saoke, the Japanese restaurant, Le Petit Chef embarks on an immersive culinary journey 6 months long in 2023. Led by the world's smallest chef, an incredible blend of theater and dining will take place. We are proud to announce that JOALI Maldives and JOALI Being signed a letter of intent with Parley Maldives in March 2023. The flag JOALI chose to represent the joy of living and to act for our engagement in ocean preservation is "We are all interconnected" by internationally acclaimed artist Jeppe Hein. Come and enjoy the sculpture park at JOALI Maldives.